RDDT stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is ready to incorporate stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially Reddit, it's Gucci. You know, I really like the market. I really hoped I bought here with a double break confirmation if it was met, but it was never met, you know, and I never took no trades. Then the price sort of consolidated. Seems like pre-market is a lot higher than like 186, so that's that. I just hope I see corrections and pull downs so I can position myself to take it further up, right? In all seriousness, I'll definitely have to skip on Friday, maybe kind of start from with the next week, because it really depends where we open and what the range is going to be at. I'm just going to mark up demand zones and kind of speculate here, but we have no candle, so I'm going to wait. I have 6 results in the Discord as receipts, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.